What's up, everybody? It's your boy Q, you know who, back baby with another video. Thank y'all for coming kicking it with your boy Q today in red. As y'all can see there, it's looking good. So guys, I'm getting a lot of questions lately about my MPT performance tune. I have a 3.5 liter EcoBoost engine. I am performed by MPT Performance. I have three of their tunes. I have the 87 performance tune, the 93 toe tune, and the 93 PRX tune, which is like their most aggressive tune. I only run the 93 PRX tune in my truck. I have been running that tune now for about 2 years, and I get questions like, hey man, how's the tune holding up? Are you experiencing any issues with it? Guys, I have not experienced any issues with my tune, and it's a pretty aggressive tune. The truck is fast as heck, I'm not gonna lie. All right, here we go. Hit it. Holy shit! Oh my goodness! Oh my gosh! What? I'm gonna kind of call this a review on the MPT tune, but honestly, it's gonna be a super short video because I don't have anything bad to say about it. I mean, I have had no issues. Okay, that's, I guess, warranty. When you tune your truck, will it void your warranty? This is a fishy, smoky, what's the word I'm looking for? Muddy topic. I see many guys comment like, no, it won't void your tune. If you know your dealership, some dealerships help you out. Some dealerships, it's gonna void it. And now apparently it's common with people tuning their trucks. I don't know. It's a very 50-50 thing. There's some law, the Magnusol Act law, that prevents it. I don't know. Just know if you do it, you're taking a risk that you may void your warranty. That's all you need to know. You need to go into the mindset that if I tune it, I'm gonna void my warranty. Go into that mindset, you'll be okay. So for me, my truck was not under warranty. I bought it with 43,000 miles, so I think the warranty was gone by then. Yeah, I'm just kind of running it and gunning it, you know. I have tried all three tunes on the truck, and I put a video card there. Y'all can go back and check it out. But so far, the 93 PRX tune has been great. Another question is, what does the tune do? Basically, guys, when these trucks come from the manufacturer, they basically have to meet certain emissions, right? So basically what a tune does, go in there, unlock your ECU, and basically really unlock all that power and benefits that don't meet emissions that you have to do when they're selling these from the manufacturer. Now, no, it does not mess with no check engine light. I pass all my my inspections. I don't have any lights, anything on my dash. Excuse me, the truck is filthy. I'm looking at it now. Nothing on my dash. Everything is perfect. Backside of that, my guy Alex has an F-150. He went with MPT tune, and he said one day he was driving shortly after he got his tune, not sure how long, and his truck went into limp mode. Just boom, you know, lost all power, things like that. And I think he diagnosed it, and they said maybe the tune messed with the something. I can't remember what he said. But anyway, so he kind of had experience with it. He was good. Everything, I don't think he was a big repair or anything. I think something just kind of tweaked and messed up, and he took the tune off, and I think he may have reinstalled it. I'm not sure. That is one story I heard from somebody running MPT tune that, you know, truck went into limp mode, you know, whatever case may be. So I don't know. I have not dealt with that. I can't speak on it, but I'm sharing that with you all because I do know someone who has. So for me, the tune has been great. I mean, it's reliable. MPG, I'm averaging about 11 point something right now. That's not because of the MPT tune. That's because of my wheels and tire setup. And it may be, I'm running their more aggressive tune anyway. So it's the sport. It's the 93 PRX is like their go tune. It's a real deal tune. You know, if I did want to get into conserving gas mileage, better gas mileage, you know, I would load my 87 performance tune or the 93 toe tune. You know, Paul, he y'all saw the video with him. He said he's averaging 16 point something amount MPG. He has a MPT tune as well, and I think he's running their most conservative tune, which is the 87 or the 87 toe tune, he said, something like that. So, you know, the fact that they give you them options to have those different tunes to really meet your needs, if you want to go fast, if you want to save gas and all that, you know, MPT has that for you. Now, a lot of people ask me for a link. I don't have a link. You have to go to the mpt.com website. Things have changed since I got my truck. I bought that tune, like I said, 2-3 years ago. I'm pretty sure they have developed and changed the tunes by now. The process may have changed, things like that. So you're probably wondering, how do you load the tune, guys? You do really, I'll take my device right here. I'll show y'all. It's my SCXT4 scanner, right? I'll show y'all. I can't believe my truck is this dirty. This here, and you really just plug it into your OBD port and you load the tune. That's really it. I did an entire video on that as well. So overall, guys, I have nothing bad to say about my MPT tunes. Again, I have all three options available: 87 performance, 93 toe, and a 93 PRX, which is the one I run the most, and it's their most aggressive tune. If you're in the market for it, definitely check them out. You know, do your research. There's tons of the tunes out there. manufacturers. I only have experience with MPT, so I only can talk about MPT. But 2 years later, I have no engine, no head gasket issues, no blown engine issues. I'm good. To my knowledge, the truck is running fine. That's just me. That's just how my experience has been with it. You know, if you have a different experience with MPT or whatever case, please come below and share. I suggest Kicking the Q, just go into it if you're gonna do it as if it's going to void your warranty. Just keep that, just go into it with that mindset and you'll be fine. So anyway, that's all I got. Hope y'all enjoyed this quick video. Red is filthy, but we getting it done. I'll catch y'all on the next one, baby. Peace.